Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk some more about our clock, and we're going to talk more about hours and half hours. So let's review what we've learned so far. We've become pretty good at using the hour hand to tell time. So let's turn our hour hand on. Tell me, how can you tell time to the hour with the hour hand? That's right. When the hour hand is pointed to that number, we know that is the hour it is. So if it's pointed here to the 4, we know that it is 4 o'clock. But what if it is between two numbers? So half of this hour has passed. There is 1 hour from 4 to 5, but it is in between. What do you know about the half hour looking at the hour hand? We know that when the hour hand is between 2 hours, between like 4 and 5, half an hour has gone by. So let's turn that off for a moment and let's think about this clock face. I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. I wonder how many minutes are on half of this clock face. Let's count by 5s until we've gone around half of the clock. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There are 30 minutes around half of the clock. Why are there 30 minutes in half of an hour? Let's find how many minutes are in a whole hour, and then we'll come back to thinking about our half hour. You ready? Let's start again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So there are 60 minutes in a whole hour. How did you know that? Because we counted all the way around a clock, and we know that that means there are 60 minutes in an entire hour. So let's erase this and go back and talk about our half hour. So let's make our half hour. And we said that there were 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There were 30 minutes in half of an hour. I'm noticing that 30 is half of the 60. So there are 30 minutes pass in half an hour. In the next half hour, there's 30 more minutes. So that equals 60 minutes, which is 1 whole hour. Okay, so let's erase this. And let's put our hour hand back on. Now, let's put our minute hand on. Our minute hand is on the 12. Where is our hour? it is on the 4. So right now, on this clock, it is 4 o'clock. Four o'clock. Now, if it's halfway past 4 o'clock, where does our hour hand go? It is in the middle of 4 and 5. It is halfway past 4. Where would the middle hand go to show it's traveled halfway around the circle? So half of this circle, it is 30 minutes past. So that means now it is 4:30. It is half past 4. 4:30. It is half past 4. So let's do another one. Let's look if time passes and it is 11 o'clock. Let's say that we eat lunch at 11 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing straight to the 11th hour, right here to the 11. Where is the minute hand? It is pointing right here to the top at the 12. So it is 11 o'clock. So after lunch, the class goes to recess. They go to recess at 11:30. Where would the hour hand be if it is 11:30? If it is half past 11. The hour hand would be in between the 11 and 12, halfway in between. Where would the minute hand be? Half of the clock would be right down here at the bottom. 30 minutes would pass. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So half of an hour has passed. So this hour hand is between the 11 and the 12. So now it is 11:30, and this is when the class might go to recess. Great job, boys and girls, learning the minute hand and half of an hour.